Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I built a powerful hi-fi amplifier setup using 3 amazing modules. This project is perfect for home audio or DIY sound system. Let's go step by step, from the power supply to the amplifier and finally to the tone control. Part 1. Power Supply Board 1. TD8000 954 030 20. Let's start with module number 1. The TD8000 954 Power Amplifier Power Supply Board. This board is designed to take a DC 12-volt input and boost it up to a high dual voltage from GT38 VV all the way to A62 of. That's a huge boost, ideal for driving powerful amplifier circuits. It even provides a secondary TTA12E output that can be used for preamplifier or tone control circuit. The large aluminum heatsink helps keep the power transistors and switching components cool during operation. This board is basically the heart of the whole system. It provides clean, high-power DC for the rest of our audio modules. The large aluminum heatsink helps keep the power transistors and switching components cool during operation. This board is basically the heart of the whole system. It provides clean, high-power DC for the rest of our audio module. Part 2. Power Amplifier 2. IRS 2092s 2040. Next, module number 2. The IRS 2092s 500W Class D Hi-Fi Amplifier Board. This one is a mono-channel digital amplifier capable of delivering up to 500 watts of clean, efficient power to a speaker. Class D means it runs very efficiently. Less heat, more sound. The onboard fan and coil help regulate temperature and ensure stable current flow. It connects directly to the power supply from board number 1 and to the speaker output terminals. You can use it to power a subwoofer or a single full-range speaker for strong, deep bass response. Part 3. Tone Control Board 3XH Anino 1 405 30. Finally, module number 3. The XH Anino 1 DC Tone Board. This small board gives you manual control over volume, bass, and treble. It's a simple but powerful way to shape your sound before sending it to the amplifier. It connects between your audio input, like a phone, Bluetooth receiver or PC, and the amplifier input. The high and low frequency knobs let you fine-tune the sound quality, making your music feel clear, punchy, and balanced. So that's the complete setup. Power supply, amplifier, and tone control, all working together to create a powerful DI hi-fi system. Alright, now that we've seen each module, the power supply, the amplifier, and the tone board, in detail, it's time to move on to something really fun. In the next part, I'm going to draw everything by hand, step by step. I'll show you exactly how to connect each module together, how the power flows from the supply board into the amplifier, and how the signal passes through the tone control before reaching the speaker output. This way, you won't just see the hardware, you'll understand the whole circuit. I'll make it simple and clear, so you can easily build your own setup at home using the same modules. If you're new to DI electronics, don't worry. I'll explain every wire and connection slowly. You'll learn how to plan your system, how to avoid mistakes, and how to power everything safely. So stay tuned, grab a notebook or paper, because in the next part, I'll start hand drawing the full wiring diagram right in front of you. Let's learn, build, and enjoy this hi-fi project together. Now,